Yes. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you all? Are you all fine?
Yes, ma'am, we are fine.
Very
Yes, ma'am.
good. Very good. Very good. So, today is our vocal session. Vocal in the sense public speaking. I need your speeches, right? So, I gave you two topics for two different groups. Two topics for two different age groups. Small age group, that how this corona COVID-19 has affected their lives, right? What is the change that they have observed in their lives? And the second topic for our big kids, the new technical world after a year of pandemic. And might be this year also, the coming years also, because now we are so much new to the technologies, we are so much habited to the technologies, that might be these things can continue in our near future, right? Because there are many advantages. It is saving a lot of time, right? Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Yes. So I need you all. There is an option like this of raise hand. There is an option like this of raise hand. मुझे जैसे मेरे स्क्रीन पे ये ऑप्शन दिखेगा, मैं उन लोगों से स्टार्ट करूंगी. ओके, इन द ऑर्डर आई सी, I will
Okay,
ask the kids in that manner. Okay, we'll start our class
okay,
for
ma'am.
today. Yes, I see first everybody to unmute. Jyoti Maniar. Jyoti Maniar.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Rashi Manya.
Remember, whenever you are saying your speech, you need to switch on the camera and all the others should be on mute. I will be keeping my camera screen and I will be on mute, and I will be keeping my camera screen also off so that I can hear you properly. Okay? Jyoti
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Manyar.
ma'am.
Jyoti Manyar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Myself, Rashi Manya. Can I start?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Hello, friends. I am Rashi Maniyar, and today I will be sharing my thoughts on how technology has changed our lives amidst, amidst this corona pandemic. When the first lockdown was announced on 24th March 2020, at first I was very happy that I will not have to go to school. But then, after spending some days in the lockdown, I started missing my school and my friends. I was also worried about my studies. But then technology came to my and in fact to all of our rescue. Our school lectures started on an online platform. Our teachers made interesting presentations to teach us every topic. Today when I see around, I feel technology though was very important to us before the pandemic but has become a necessity now. All school lectures, office work is done online. Conferencing helped us to keep in touch with our friends and relatives whom we could not meet. In fact, I learned a lot of new things on the computer, like how to make a PowerPoint presentation, operating a video on video conference, and many other things. Technology helped us in a number of ways during the pandemic. It helped students with their studies. It helped elders in managing their work from home. Through the use of technology and social media, the whole nation came together and helped the ones in need during these tough times. Though technology was useful to us in a number of ways, I would sincerely request all my friends here to wisely use their computer, phones, and devices. Do not get addicted to these devices as they shall create hurdles in your studies and other activities. At last, thank you to technology that Ruchita ma'am could take this seminar and all of us could learn so many interesting and amazing things. Thank you.
Very good, very good, very nice, very nice. You're having a brother with you,
Yeah, ma'am, he just told that like I want to also hear your speech, so
but he is in the summer camp.
no, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yes. Hasita Joshi.
Yes, ma'am. Hello everyone. I'm Hasita. I'm here to tell you the importance of technology in our daily lives in this current situation. We all know that a COVID test is done through RT-PCR test. The report of the test comes within 8 to 24 hours. Recently, DRDO has released a new software called Athman, which needs a chest X-ray of the patient. The software has artificial intelligence technology that detects if the patient's lungs is infected or not, using the X-ray reports which comes within an hour or two after the test. Now I will talk about QBT, quick breath test. Mukesh Ambani tied up with an Israel research company to do research on QBT. In this, the patient needs to blow air out, and the instrument will detect if there is corona in the patient's lungs or not within 10 seconds. DRDO and Dr. Reddy researched a new medicine called 2DG, 2-deoxy-D-glucose, which is approved by our Indian government. Now, I will talk about the technology used in our daily lives. Doctors are giving online consultations, students' schools are online, most of the employees are working from home. There is another use of technology for money transfer, for buying clothes, for buying medicines, for buying foods, etc. etc. through different apps. So these online made us easy and relaxed us. Thank you.
Great. Very good. Very good. Yes. For now, for the payments, mobile apps has introduced. Pehle, we used to just transaction of the currency, but now we are not here transacting more because since last year हम लोगों को पता था कि in the material also, in the materialistic things also, from the materialistic things also, the virus can transfer, right? So, all these apps, all the mobile net banking are very well was used. Very nicely explained, very nicely. Poonam Chaudhary.
Yes, teacher.
बोल ना. Can I start?
Can I start?
Start, bacha, start.
All of us stay safe from COVID-19. I cannot go outside and school. I miss my school. I miss my school and I miss my friends. Due to corona, I cannot go outside. Everyone has to wear mask while going outside. We all have to stay home and safe. Thank you.
Very good, very good, very good.
Ma'am,
Very nice.
thank you.
Very good. Khushi Sharma.
Good evening, ma'am. Can I start?
Start, bacha, start.
Hello, everyone. My name is Khushi Sharma. I am go to talk go, going to talk about the new technical word after any year of pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected to many science, space, and technology institutions and the government agencies worldwide, leading to the providing
Ma'am, she got disconnected.
Yeah, ma'am, she got disconnected.
Okay, no worries. Ashok Agdi. Okay, she's here again. She's here again. Khushi, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry,
Yes.
ma'am. Disconnected.
It's okay, it's okay.
The COVID-19 pandemic has affected to many science, space, and technological institutions and the government agencies worldwide, leading to the probability on a numbers of a fields and programs. It has also opened service new funding research lines in a server government agency board around the world. The coronavirus caused a huge strain on a internet traffic with any increase of a 60
Ma'am, she again got stuck.
Khushi, are you
Yes.
there? Okay, there might be a problem at her home. No worries. Ashok Agdi. Ashok Agdi.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Neha. Today I am going to tell on COVID-19 what all changes had
Bacha,
become
COVID-19. COVID-19.
COVID-19 by things all schools have closed and offices are also closed and work from home and online class have started. Please be safe in your home and do not panic. Here will end. Thanking you all. Ma'am, next I will tell.
Yes, say me your name also, huh, bacha?
Good evening, everybody. My name is Anna. Today I am going to tell the life. I am going to tell life after the COVID-19 pandemic. Our world has changed a lot in the last few months. Thousands of people lost their lives, and millions of people sick. Millions of people are sick. All this have broken the havoc of the virus called COVID-19. COVID-19 and the people who are suffering the outbreak of this virus, their life standard of living has changed completely. The virus first appeared in Wuhan city of China in December 2019. Since everything in the world has received reversed by the COVID-19. Thanking you all.
Very good, very good. Very nice. Sapna Bajaj.
Ma'am,
Sapna Bajaj.
yes, ma'am.
Please say me about your topic.
Ma'am, can you
What
say
happened, Sapna Bajaj?
stop calls to mute?
My name is Priya
Is there
Bajaj.
any problem? Why 2-3 people are unmuted? Is there any problem?
No, ma'am.
I'm not saying to you, bacha. Suman, then Sony. One more kid was unmuted. Why? Is there any problem? Yes, Sapna, continue, bacha.
Ma'am, my name is Kia Bajaj. Today I'd like to tell how coronavirus COVID-19 affected my life. I'll start with points. Point number one. My schools are closed because of COVID-19 and I cannot learn properly on my online classes. Second point. I cannot go on vacations like Mumbai, Goa, Kolkata, etc. Thank you.
Very good, very good, very good. Who is this logged in just with the email ID? Sharanu Madial. Is there anyone who has logged in with this name?
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Santosh. Today I would like to tell a speech. Point number one. My school is closed because lockdown. My point number two. I
बच्चा
cannot.
आपका स्पीच का टॉपिक क्या है? आपका स्पीच का टॉपिक क्या है? No, the topic is not COVID-19. The topic is how COVID-19 has affected your life. The topic is how COVID-19 has affected your life. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Point number two, I cannot meet my friends. Point number three, I cannot go out. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. जो भी कहना है बोलेगा उसका नंबर लास्ट में आएगा. तो पुलकित आपका नंबर लास्ट में आएगा. हाँ, लास्ट में दूं ना आपको? डोंट से ना. मेरे यहाँ पे जो लिस्ट है ना, जैसा आप लोगों ने रेज हैंड किया है ना, वो लिस्ट मुझे जैसा दिख रहा है ना, मैं वैसे पूछ रही हूँ बच्चा. समझा आपको? वेरी गुड, गुड 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 बॉय. सुदेशना कदम.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, say me about your speech.
Yes, I'm going to say about Corona, how it affected our life. Within the spread of pandemic, almost all regions have implemented lockdowns, shutting down activities that require human gathering and interaction, including schools, colleges, malls, temples, offices, airports, and railway stations. The lockdown has resulted in most people taking to the internet and basis service to communication internet and continue with their jobs responsibilities from home. Thank you. Internet service have.
What is your name?
Yashoda ma'am.
Start with your name. What is your topic? Start with that.
My name is Yashoda and the topic name is how coronavirus affects. Technology has played an important role in responding to the novel coronavirus and subsequent COVID-19 pandemic. Technologies like chatbot and virtualized patient care offer a mechanism to triangle and distribute care at scale. Thank you.
Very good, bacha, very good. Adarsh Toshniwal.
Yeah, can I start?
Yes, definitely you can start.
Hi everyone, my name is Adarsh Toshniwal. Today I am going to tell you about the new technical world after an year of pandemic. The outbreaking of the corona pandemic has changed mythology of many day-to-day activities. All the schools and colleges are taking up online teaching methods using different apps. People have been attending meetings online and signing up contracts. Online banking has become more convenient and people favoring method. Online shopping has taken a spike. Overall, we can say that there are many technical changes in lives of common people due to COVID-19. Thank you.
Very good, bacha, very good. Just a second. Tanvi Loya. Tanvi Loya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, kindly say me about your topic.
How COVID-19 changed our lives. Ma'am,
Yes, say na, bacha.
my name is Tanvi Loya. Today I am going to talk how coronavirus has changed our life. As we all are aware, our life has
देर नो
changed.
योर देर मैंने क्यों लिखा पता है क्योंकि आई एम आस्किंग टू यू ऑल टू से दैट ओके हेंस आई यूज्ड नॉट योर्स देर ओके so you when you are speaking on that topic you have to say today I am going to speak on the topic how coronavirus has affected my life how it has changed my life okay
Yes, ma'am.
yes
As we all are aware, our life has changed dramatically due to COVID 19. I have not been able to attend school physically since more than 1 year. The teaching process has changed from classroom teaching to online classes. I am always glued to laptop, mobile, iPad, etc. Both due to online classes and staying at home. I am not able to play outside with my friends in the park. Thank you, ma'am.
are you done
Yes, ma'am.
yeah very good bacha Sony Piyusha Sony Piyusha
Ma'am,
yes please say about your topic
hello all. I am Diksha Toshniwal.
just a
I
second
am
ना
going.
just a second सी आपका चांस हो जाता है ना आपको मीटिंग छोड़ के नहीं जाना है नो वन इज लीव नो वन इज गोइंग टू लीव द मीटिंग अंटिल आई से अ बाय आई सी किसी का चांस हो गया है he or she leaves the meeting I don't want this thing okay as the
Okay,
as
ma'am.
when you are saying the other kids are listening to you as audience when they are saying when there is their turn you have to listen as the audience okay very good good kids. Yes,
Ma'am,
please
I'm
say.
going to washroom.
Yes. Sony Piyusha, please continue.
Hello all, I am Diksha Toshniwal. I am going to share with you how Corona changed my life. I never thought I will attend school from home, submitting homework from home, writing exams from home, etc. At first, it was difficult for me, but now I can easily do it with the help of internet. We learned so many new things like online dancing, painting, tambola, and summer camp, etc. Other great thing was we all family members played games together, had food together. It was great fun. But I am missing my friends, school, teachers. We cannot play outdoor games. I learned to help Mama in her work. Thank you.
Very good, Tanvi. Very good. Very good. Yes. One thing you all might have played. You all might have played Ludo, right? Ludo was a very popular game last year.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I like Ludo.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Jokes apart. Ajay Toshniwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Let me
Please say
start.
about your topic. Yes.
Oh God. See.
Hi friends, my name is Ishita Toshniwal and today I am going to tell you about the technical world after the pandemic. I got to know about new apps like PowerPoint presentations. I love to make presentations and I even got to know about Arogya Setu where we can see any COVID patients around us. Now the employees in the office are even doing work from home and the students are also doing online classes. Everything is online. Now when we have to meet our relative, we can video call them instead of going at their house. We should wear a mask, use sanitizer, stay home and stay safe. Thank you and bye.
Very good. Very good. So isn't it fun that आप कभी किसी से मिल भी नहीं पाओगे तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. You can video call anytime, right?
Yes.
Yes. See, there are some advantages also. There are disadvantages, but obviously, but there are many advantages also, right?
Yes.
Pulkit, Pulkit,
Hello, ma'am.
yes, बच्चा बोलो आपका टॉपिक.
Good evening, teacher and friends. After this COVID-19, the world and our view towards it has completely changed. We have to maintain discipline, social distance from others, keep giving importance to our health and our family. We should complete our work and classes through online. It helped us to be technically strong for using gadgets like computer, laptop, mobile, etc. Nothing is permanent in this world. So this pandemic is also going to over very soon. Thank you. This is Pulkit Inani from Vijayawada.
Very good, very nice, Pulkit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dr. Geeta Bandi. Dr. Geeta, the boy or the girl in the name of Dr. Geeta. Are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, you can.
Hello, everyone. Good evening. My name is Ishashri. I'm 13 years old. My topic is a new technical world after a year of pandemic. During pandemic, we have learned a lot to be self-dependent, right from cooking, cleaning, washing, gardening, medical help, buying groceries, shopping, learning art and craft, dance, music, yoga, education, office, movie, food, etc. Before the pandemic, the house help would come to help now. Help. Now we all are doing work by ourselves and using the technology such as microwave. Now, if the washerwoman can't come to our house to help us, hence we use our washing machine to clean the house. Earlier, we used to wipe the floor with a mop and a wringer, but now we use vacuum cleaner, etc. If we fall sick, we also consult a doctor online. Medicines can be even ordered online through apps such as MediLife, Pharmacy, etc. If we require groceries, we would go out to the market and get. But now it can be ordered through Amazon, Big Basket, etc. Now coming to shopping, earlier we used to go to the mall and buy dress, but now we order online from Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, etc. Even mobiles can be ordered online through the apps. We all would learn music, dance, etc. through Zoom, WebEx, Google Meet, Duo, FaceTime, etc. The people used to the people who used to go to the office to work, they work from home through online. Earlier, we would enjoy watching movies in theater. Because of the pandemic, we all watched movies through OTT platforms like Netflix, Hotstar, Amazon Prime Video, etc. To book a train ticket, we used to go to the railway station and stand in a queue. But now we book online through Clear My Trip, Goa, Vibo, etc. From a girl, boy to grandma, grandpa, everyone knows to operate mobile. If they are in the same house and in a different room, they call each other. Wow, really amazing. No one would imagine that what a technology can do. It is single, but with thousands. So hence, this is a technical word according to me. Lastly, I would end by saying that there is no need to step out of the house because everything is online. So stay safe and stay at home. Thank you.
Great, brilliant, brilliant. I liked your speech. Very good. Very, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So earlier, the things which were luxury to us, microwave, then all these, TV theaters, theater was really luxury to us. But now, this is our necessity, and this we can see sitting homes also. We have many apps, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, Sony Live, Z5, many apps are there through which we can see the movies also. We can entertain ourselves, right? We can cook whenever we want to, right? Very good, very good. Shraddha Bhandari Kasat.
Yes.
Yes, बच्चा बोलो.
How? My name is Riyan Kasat. I am 6 years old. How COVID-19 has changed my life. Today I am going to talk about how COVID-19 changed my life. COVID-19 or Corona pandemic has changed everyone's life. I remember last year, March, COVID-19 started affecting us and suddenly school stopped and lockdown was imposed and everyone was at home. Initially, I was happy because I got holidays from school, was playing with family members. But then I started missing my friends, my garden time, and my school. I miss my playground physical activities. But slowly I got accustomed to new online learning system. I started meeting my friends virtually. Slowly I got used to new lifestyle of SMS, that is sanitization, mask wearing and social distancing. Sign going out for hoteling was not an option. We devised new ways to celebrate various occasions. I I planned balcony picnic for my grandma's birthday. As I cannot go out for playing, I play with my family and spend quality time with them. During online summer camp, I would like to say that no matter what happens, we should try to enjoy life as it comes. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very nice. Keep it up, keep it up. Arnav, Malu?
Hi, ma'am.
Yes, hi. Say me about your speech.
Ma'am, my speech is very sad because, ma'am, I have made my speech just now only, ma'am.
It's okay, you can say.
Hi, my name is Arno. I am telling about how COVID-19 changed our life. COVID-19 pandemic is very difficult pandemic for everyone. Everyone should follow the government rules and everyone should take the vaccine. I have tried many science experiments and learned many things in lockdown. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Ma'am?
Yes, very good, very good,
Thank you, ma'am.
very good. Vedika Nandigam?
Ma'am,
Vedika Nandigam. Rishi Rathi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Kindly switch on your camera and say me about your speech.
Ma'am, can I tell again?
Okay, wait, Rishi, wait. You left the meeting ऐसा मुझे आया अभी अपने स्क्रीन पे, इसके लिए मैंने दूसरे बच्चे का नाम लिया बच्चा. Yes, Vedika.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everybody. Good evening. My name is Karthik. I am 9 years old. Today, I am going to speak a few lines about the technical world after an year of Corona. Well, if we speak of technology, we have been using it way before Corona. But I never thought that now would be our daily necessity. For example, since 1 year I have been attending my school online. Now I can use many apps like Zoom, Google Meet, MS Team, etc. easily. It's fun actually. I get to study well, interact with my friends and teachers. I enjoy it. This new technology has kept me in close contact with all my cousins, my relatives through WhatsApp, FaceTime, etc. My mother also could manage grocery and kitchen pantry online using apps like Big Basket, Groupers.com, etc. I remember we did our birthday and Diwali shopping online using apps like First Cry, Amazon, etc. My father got all medicines for our family using apps like MedLife, Pharmacy, etc. We also have online medical checkup of family using a nice app called Practo. Now also I am enjoying the summer camp because of the technology only. But the only thing I miss the most is playing in the park, running in the school playground, doing hi-fi to my friends. I strongly wish and hope that after this pandemic is over, both technology and reality go hand in hand and balance our lives. Thank you.
Very good, very nicely said. Keep it up, bacha. Yes, Rishi Rathi.
Ma'am, can I tell again?
Yes, Rishi Rathi. Rishi Rathi. Yes, Rishi Rathi. Very good, very nice, very nice, very nicely said. Keep it up, keep it up, bacha. Yes, Rishi Rathi. Yes, Rishi Rathi. Yes, Rishi Rathi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Kindly switch on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm able to see some green stuff.
Ma'am, I think my camera is not working. I'm on laptop.
Can you please rejoin?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. By that time, I will take another name, Shakuntala Modani. Shakuntala Modani. Achal Kabra.
Ma'am, call him Harsh, ma'am. Who is Shakuntala Modani, ma'am? Call him Harsh, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Okay, Rishi is here back. Rishi is here back. Yes, Rishi.
Ma'am, the camera is not working.
Okay, it's okay. Please say your speech.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, Good evening, everyone. My name is Rishi, and I am going to say a speech on the new technical world after a year of pandemic. As we know, this pandemic has changed everyone's lives. It has shuttered down all office, school, colleges, restaurant and hotels, theaters, malls, and shops of clothes, stationery, and gadgets. The whole world is now dependent on mobile and laptop. Even schooling, tuitions, and summer camps are conducted online. Apps like Zoom are very much useful in these times. The starting 15 to 20 days of online classes were very interesting, but then it was very boring. The interest that comes in going school, meeting friends, studying and learning new things, eating tiffin with friends, etc., does not come in these digital classes. It took time for me and my mother to adopt this technology as my mother teaches junior KG because it was quite difficult. But after some time, it was easy and I learned new things like making a presentation in PowerPoint. We can't go out of our homes and also we can't go with our family to have dinner in a hotel. This digital and technical world has affected offices. Everyone has to do work from home. That is a quite difficult work to do. But this pandemic have gave us many things like family time and has taught us to be a responsible human being and to take all safety measures and to be patient in this situation. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Very nicely said. Yes,
Thank you,
Achal
ma'am.
Kabra. Achal Kabra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please say about your speech.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. Good evening, everyone. My name is Janvi Toshniwal. I am studying in first standard. My topic is life after Corona. Before before Corona, before Corona, I was going to school. I I I was going to I was going to garden, market, relative. After after Corona, on online class, wash your hands and use the mask and use the sanitizer and stayed at home and safely. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, very good, bacha. Deepika Inani. Yes, please
Yes,
say about your
ma'am.
speech.
मैम मुझे
Yes,
इंग्लिश नहीं आता।
तो हिंदी में बोलो। मैंने
ठीक
थोड़ी
है
ना
मैम।
कंपलसरी बोला कि इंग्लिश में बोलो, आपको जो लैंग्वेज आता है उसमें बोलो, पर बोलो, ओके। बट इंग्लिश और
ठीक है
हिंदी
मैम।
छोड़ के दूसरा मत बोलो, क्योंकि दूसरा लैंग्वेज मैम को नहीं आता, ओके।
हिंदी और इंग्लिश आता
हाँ,
मैम
बोलो
को।
बोलो।
हाय बच्चों, आज मैं बोलने वाली हूँ कोरोना 19 कोरोना वायरस के बारे में। मैं बोलने वाली हूँ कोरोना वायरस के बारे में।
बच्चा, कोरोना वायरस के बारे में नहीं बोलना है, कोरोना वायरस के वजह से आपके लाइफ में क्या चेंज आया ये बोलना है।
हाँ मैम।
कैमरा ऑन करो, कैमरा ऑन करके बोलो, कैमरा ऑन करके बोलो।
मैम आपको मेरा फेस नहीं दिख रहा है।
कैमरा प्लेस करो बराबर बच्चा।
मैम इधर कैमरा नहीं है।
आपकी मम्मा को बोलो कैमरा एडजस्ट करके देगी मम्मा।
ओके मैम।
यस, शकुंतला
मैम
मोदानी।
कैमरा नहीं आ रही है।
शकुंतला मोदानी। शकुंतला मोदानी, आर यू हियर? गौरंगी काबरा।
Yes, ma'am.
गौरंगी काबरा।
Miss, am I audible?
यस।
Hello everyone, my name is Karangi. My topic for today is the technical world after a year of pandemic. There are decades where nothing happens, and there are weeks where decades happen. But this phrase is probably inaccurate when it comes to what happened in technology, economy, and politics in the last decade alone. Yet, the gist of this quote is quite powerful when we look at the first weeks and the past 10 months of the coronavirus pandemic. A lot has happened in technology, and technology adoption is an incredibly compressed time and at fast pace. It has been a long, sad, and painful time since the pandemic started. But with everyone able to endure most of the ills brought about by this pandemic, and technology seems to be the only way out of it. Clearly, the pandemic accelerated the dominance of technology in our lives and made us more digital creatures with all the advantages and drawbacks. There is a light at the end of this long coronavirus tunnel, and vaccines are on the way to get us out of this pandemic. Thank you.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी वेरी नाइस। प्रेमा बजाज। प्रेमा बजाज।
भाभी वो ये है सेक्रेटरी है हमारे,
ओके।
उनके आगे कोई बच्चे का नाम है क्या?
नहीं नहीं, यहाँ पे जो नाम से लोगों ने लॉगिन किया है मैं वही नाम बोल रही हूँ। स्वेजल देशमुख। स्वेजल देशमुख।
शायद प्रीशा, उसके बच्चे का नाम है, उसके मदर का नाम सेजल है, उसके बच्चे का नाम अनु है।
स्वेजल देशमुख।
दित्या, दित्या देशमुख।
हाँ यस मैम।
Yes, Ditya, please say about your topic. Switch on your camera.
Admit Arun,
Ditya,
I am Ditya. I am going to talk about the new technical world after an year of pandemic.
adjust.
continue, bacha, continue.
With the COVID 19 pandemic having made working from home the new normal, various technologies are emerging to adapt to this new reality from 5G powered extended reality headsets to virtual healthcare and gaming. Expect 2021 to tailor technology to your life indoors. The COVID 19 pandemic and the unprecedented lengths to which we had to go to keep it spread under check also resulted in never before imagined dependence on technology.
Are you done, Ditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Very good, Ditya. Okay, Shakuntala Modani, I can see you chatting in the chat box. Why don't you be here online and say your speech? Shakuntala Modani, this chat
Ma'am,
box is not meant here to chat amongst yourself. This chat box is only to write your names as you enter, and if you have any doubt, you can mention in that. You don't have to chat amongst yourself. Are you there, Shakuntala Modani? सुमन लड्डा,
आई थिंक मदर्स के नाम है वो सब, उनके किड्स के नहीं है। सुमन लड्डा भी।
हाँ हाँ, मैं भाभी वही नाम बोल रही हूँ जो मुझे टॉपिक दिख रहा है नाम।
या तो उनको बोलिए हम आपके मदर्स के नाम ले रहे हैं, तो आप प्लीज रिप्लाई कीजिए।
मैंने ऑलरेडी बोला है ये। यस, शकुंतला मोदानी, are you there? You have raised hand also now. Swajal Deshmukh.
गुड इवनिंग मैम।
Yes, please say about your speech.
गुड इवनिंग मैम। हाँ, माय नेम इज कृष्णा पवार।
My name is Krisha Pawar.
माय टॉपिक इज
My topic is
हाउ कोविड-19 चेंज आवर लाइफ।
how COVID-19 changed our life.
ड्यू टू कोविड-19 some school वो बंद रहे।
ए बच्चा, डोंट लेट योर मम्मा हेल्प यू। हम लोग पिछले साल से घर पे ही बैठे हैं ना, राइट? आप भी बैठे हो घर पे, मैं भी बैठी हूँ घर पे। आपने घर पे क्या क्या किया, मुझे सिर्फ वो सुनना है। आपका लाइफ कैसे चेंज हुआ, कोविड-19 ने क्या चेंज लाया आपके लाइफ में? मतलब आपने घर में क्या क्या किया, क्या खेला? हाँ, बाहर नहीं जा पाते, पहले पार्क में जाते थे, अभी नहीं जा पाते, पहले दोस्तों के साथ बाहर खेलते थे, वही बोलो जो आपने किया। ओके, से इन एनी लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश और हिंदी कुछ भी चलेगा, बोलो।
स्टॉप करो।
Are you shy to say? Are you shy to say?
नहीं, हम स्कूल नहीं जा
Why
रहे
you
हैं।
are shy to say? लूडो खेला, टीवी देखा, है ना? मम्मा ने अच्छा अच्छा खाना बना के दिया, वो खाना खाया, है ना?
उसके सिस्टर ने तो इतना अच्छा अच्छा बोला है, फिर ये क्यों नहीं बोल रही है? हाँ कृष्णा,
सेम ही
या आपकी सिस्टर ने कितने अच्छे से बोला, आप भी बोलो। मैं ना, हम स्कूल नहीं जा पा रहे।
हम स्कूल नहीं जा पा रहे।
और फंक्शंस नहीं अटेंड कर पा रहे।
बाहर फंक्शन अटेंड नहीं कर पा रहे।
फ्रेंड्स को मिलने के लिए नहीं जा सकते, खेलने के लिए नहीं जा सकते।
फ्रेंड्स को मिलने के लिए नहीं जा सकते, खेलने के लिए।
मेरी भी स्पीच बाकी है।
ऑनलाइन ही कर रहे।
सैनिटाइजर यूज कर, मास्क लगाना,
सैनिटाइजर मास्क लगा रहे।
कंपल्सरी हो गया।
अब बहुत कंपल्सरी हो गया है।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
यस। आपको टीचर की याद नहीं आती कि टीचर पनिशमेंट देती थी?
आती है।
नहीं आती?
आती है।
फिर पनिशमेंट चाहिए क्या वापस से?
नहीं
तो स्कूल नहीं जाना? स्कूल मिस नहीं करते?
जाना।
जाना है ना? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। यस। शकुंतला मोदानी, मैं कब से आपको बुला रही हूँ, आप बीच में एकदम प्रॉम्प्ट करके बोल रहे हो मेरा चांस बाकी है। बोलो बच्चा, फिर गायब हो गए आप।
मैम उसका अनम्यूट है।
हाँ मेरा अनम्यूट है, लेकिन वो बच्चा बोल ही नहीं रहा है ना, शकुंतला मोदानी।
और मैम उसका भी अनम्यूट है।
काइंडली स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा, कैमरा स्विच ऑन करो। कैमरा स्विच ऑन करो। आप बोल रहे हो क्या बच्चा? ओके, रुद्रावर के नाम से कौन है रुद्रावर?
हेलो हेलो।
यस प्लीज से। स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा फर्स्ट।
When my kids is not ready to say.
स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा फर्स्ट, एटलीस्ट आई बी एबल टू सी। आप लोग कैमरा क्यों ऑफ कर देते हैं?
Good
हेलो,
evening, ma'am. Hello.
व्हाट इज योर नेम?
What is your
व्हाट इज योर नेम?
रीशा।
प्रीशा। व्हाट लैंग्वेज यू से? व्हाट लैंग्वेज यू से इन होम?
हिंदी। मराठी।
मला मराठीत सांग, मला मराठी करते। मला सांग मराठीत, काही
कोरोना
हरकत नाही
वायरस
मला।
बहुत डेंजर है
हा, आणि काय केलं कोरोनानी?
और पूरे दुनिया में खराब कर रहा है।
हाँ, और
हम छोटे बच्चे क्या करें? घर में बैठ बैठ के बहुत बोर हो रहे हैं।
अरे बापरे, अभी आता
साइंटिस्ट ने
काय करायचं?
एक
घरी तू
नया
बसून बोर होते
वैक्सीन
ना, तर काय करायचं?
साइंटिस्ट ने नया वैक्सीन निकाला है जिससे जिसे हम कोरोना को भीषण भीषण करके खत्म करें। हमें मास्क पहनना जरूरी है। बाहर से कौन सी भी चीज आए उसको सैनिटाइजर करना है। जिसे भी कोरोना हुए तो क्वारंटाइन रखना का है हमको सिर्फ 14 days.
Okay, very good, very good, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, so कोई और बाकी है?
नहीं मैम. नहीं मैम. मैं बाकी हूँ मैम.
कौन बोल रहा है?
वेदांत.
Yes, please say about your speech.
Ma'am. Good evening, everyone. My name is Vedant. Today I am here to speak about role of technology during COVID-19. We know that technology is an essential part of our life today. But during the pandemic, technology helps a man lot. Technology play a vital role such as educating people about the entire situation and reminding them to take the necessary precautions. Telecom operators such as BSNL, Jio, Airtel, etc. have used caller tunes for spreading awareness about the pandemic. Self-driving cars, drones, robots also helps in this pandemic situation. We able to continue beating softwares, cloud conferencing, etc. Smartphones are also playing a very important role in this COVID-19 situation, like home delivery of goods, online streaming of live shows, movies, and concerts for environment studies use smartphones for their online studying. During the pandemic situation, education is shifted to method of home schooling and home college. Educators are educating by online classes in which millions of students get benefit. Most of the educational institutions have started to offer their courses online to make sure educating is not disturbed to the pandemic. Also, many fitness and health apps are launched to help people remain fit at the comfort of staying indoor due to the pandemic situation. COVID-19 has proved that technology innovations have been helping in managing the epidemic in a timely, systematic, and calm manner. With this, I end my speech. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Brilliant, brilliant. Very good point you mentioned that the phone lines like Airtel, BSNL, and two, three more have introduced the COVID caller tune. Very good. Very good observation also. Very nice. Keep it up. Yes, Riddhima
Thank
Doot.
you, ma'am.
Yes, Riddhima Doot.
टीचर बोल.
Ma'am,
Be on.
I am
Yes,
Richard.
Riddhima Doot, start.
यस मैम बोल.
I am Richard. I am 6 years old. I will talk about Corona. Today, up to February 2020, everything was good. We were going to school and playing in the garden. But after that disease, Corona, all our schools were closed and playground we couldn't go. Then school began online. School began online and playground we couldn't go. I miss my school and friends too.
Soon,
This
this corona should run away and we get back to my life. Thank you.
Yes. I also desperately want to get back to my normal life. I want to go out without these masks. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Very nicely narrated. Very good, बच्चा. ऋत्विक किंग के नाम से कौन है? ऋत्विक किंग के नाम से कौन है? Kindly switch on your camera and then say your speech. Yes, please say.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Ritvik. Today I am going to tell a speech on the topic of the new life in the year of pandemic. So in my life, the thing which is technical is online studies and online classes. So I am going to tell good and bad things of online studies. So we can't understand properly in online classes. There can be a technical glitch or internet problem. And the good thing is, for example, my summer classes. I am getting the opportunity to learn a whole bunch of new things. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. See, there are some good things also, there are some bad things also. Have you ever, have you all ever imagined your teachers, your each and every subject teachers conducting each and every period of your school in your live classes online? They are taking so much effort. They are also at their homes. उनके भी घर में फैमिली है, उनके खुद के भी बच्चे हैं, but then too they are taking live classes so that to ensure you only her kids, by meaning her kids is her students, should get education, should be educated. They should be not left apart. हमारा ये साल बंद है बाहर जाना, लेकिन टीचर्स ने कभी भी एजुकेशन स्टॉप किया नहीं. So you should be always thankful to this mode of communication which you have developed. Yes, there are technical glitches, network issues. No worries about that. You can always connect through phone calls. You can always understand things through phones. See, this is a new world. We all have to adapt this thing and we have to grow ahead. जब हम छोटे थे ना, हमको तो सीरियसली कंप्यूटर भी नहीं पता था, right? So you all are so much into technologies. आज टीवी भी आपके इंटरनेट पे ही अवेलेबल है. I can see the news also, the live news on my YouTube, right? तो पहले ये YouTube क्या था ये भी नहीं पता था हमें, right? So it is not like that is a disadvantage. That is obviously an advantage that at your home, sitting in your home, you are getting your education. You are moved on to another class. You are moved on to another grade. From grade 1 to grade 2 आप आ गए. Grade 2 से grade 3 में आ गए. कोई 5th से 6th में आ गया. Just because sitting at home and studying, right? Very good. Very good, all of you. All of you have nicely attempted. I really like the way you all prepared your speech. Very good. Very good. So we will meet tomorrow with some other activity. Okay? Bye for now. Bye, kids.
Thank you.
Bye.
Meet everyone.
Bye, everyone. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. आगे से मैंने
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Good night, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Good night, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Good night, ma'am.